So today I'm going to do a tiny little unboxing of the world of leggings items I received. These are gifted for a blog post, well sponsored actually. I've actually got a sponsored blog post in a while, but I thought I'd just open them up for you because I had a little peek and it's not just items shoved in there. That looks like there's a few little nice quirks to it that I thought I'd show you and open it. So obviously you've got the cute little pink packaging. And if I just slide these out, they come in like this, which I thought was really cute. So what I've actually got is a little tote from Fashion, which I believe is part of their brand. So yeah, I thought that was cute. I was up for a little tote because, you know, I just always forget to take my shopping bags. So I have about one or two like totes that I sort of use in my car. I sort of like bring them in, and I've got another one in there because I always forget to take them back. I'm rambling, I'm so sorry. And then we've got a little, kind of like a little pillowcase for the items, which I thought was really cute. Fashion again. Yeah, it's just, that is super cute, I thought. It's just like the little extra touches that on items that make them great, isn't it? Because it makes them look like they really care and really think about their products, and like some cheaper brands that just sort of stuff them in there. Okay, so we've got 3 pairs of leggings, which is what I asked them to send me. I'm going to open up the first one, which I'm slightly excited for. Okay, so these are the camo, I think so. I can't see. The camo style leggings. These I was thinking of like every day, like I definitely wouldn't wear these to the gym because they're so shiny and so different. But I thought it would be fun to try and style these up in a blog post and that kind of thing. So yeah, they are very shiny, as you can probably tell. They look a bit like leather, sort of vinyl leggings. I have these in a size 8. They are 96% cotton and 4% elastic. Wow, I'm surprised with that. That's really good. That's really sustainable, and that'll be good for breathable, breathability. What a word. For yeah, if you were going to wear these to the gym and sweating, I probably won't. But yeah, they're really good. They feel really nice. Oh yeah, I'm excited to try them on actually. Yeah, they're different. These are the gym ones that I chose. I decided to go for 1 pair of gym ones. I don't actually go to the gym that often, but I thought I'd shove one on in here for people that do go to the gym. They could see what they're like. And these ones are special because they have pockets that you could actually, I think you can fit your phone in. Let's give it a try right now. My phone's quite wide. I've got the extra large. Ooh, just about right. Okay, my pop socket is getting in the way. But oh yeah, oh it's in. It is sort of sticking out a bit, but that's amazing. I'm really impressed with them. I might actually go running more often. I probably won't go to the gym. Let's just not kid ourselves here. But I probably would go out for a run because I've got some really nice places I can run around my house, and I can put my phone in there and have my headphones and thing, and I don't have to worry. I mean, so many times I've gone out and I've had to sort of like shove my phone in like just literally the, what do you call this bit? The waist of the leggings, and then it sort of slipped down my leg, it's popped out, you name it, it's happened. So I'm really excited that these got pockets. Yeah, so they're just some basic black lycra leggings. Ooh, they got a mesh insert down the bottom. I forgot about that bit. That's a cute bit of detailing. And then they've got some little dots I just saw, yeah, down the side. I think these are cute. Yeah, I think. And then they've got the Fashion logo over here. I'm excited to give them a go. Go running somewhere and try them out. So cool. Then this is the next pair. These are basically like normal jeggings. You remember when they were out? They are black, sort of skinny style leggings, basically jeggings. They've got actual pockets. They're very thick. They look a bit small, so there might be a 3/4 on my very long legs, but I'm not sure. We'll give it a go. Yeah, I like the thickness of them. That's why I was worried about that they would be see-through, but they're not. You ain't gonna see my pants in them. I like these, and they feel like they're going to be very fitted to my body, but yet, unlike ill-fitting jeans, they're not going to like probably squish me because they are Leggings, so they are stretchy. Let's see what these ones are made out of. 95% viscose, 5% elastane. Another one which is environmentally friendly kind of thing. Viscose is much better than polyester, so I'm all for that. Let's have a look what the other ones were. I forgot to look at them. These ones, the gym ones, or my running ones, are... This is 88% polyester, 12% lycra. These aren't great, but they are gym leggings, so I suppose... Yeah, I suppose that's why the material they are. But yeah, I'm excited to give these a go. Thank you for gifting me these World of Leggings and working with me. I will leave my blog link down below to the blog post I'm going to write. And yeah, see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!